Dennis almost didn't stop. The owner of this 1940 Ford convertible came by the show just to see if it was worth pulling in. Thankfully, he decided it was, because waiting behind that decision was one beautifully restored fat-fendered Ford, with paint that immediately had me thinking about a frosty mug of root beer. Welcome to another Quick Shots episode on K-Mal Classics. The more time I spent with this Ford Deluxe, the more I appreciated its shapes. The grille, those headlights, the broad rolling fenders, and enough chrome to keep this photographer busy for quite a while. I'm certainly glad Dennis decided to pull in that day. And I thank you for joining me for another Quick Shots episode on K-Mal Classics. See you at the next shoot.